Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. So first sentence is didn't you mind? Didn't you mind? क्या आपने बुरा तो नहीं मनाया? Second, where is your old flip-flop? Where is your old flip-flop? तुम्हारी पुरानी चप्पल कहाँ है? 3. It must be in the house. It must be in the house. घर में कहीं होगी. 4. Then why are you buying this new? Then why are you buying this new? तो फिर तुम ये न्यू क्यों खरीद रहे हो? 5. Whenever you already have this. जबकि तुम्हारे पास पहले से ये है. 6. Either you have a penchant for spending extravagance. Either you have a penchant for spending extravagance. या तुम्हें फजूल खर्ची करने का शौक है. 7. No, it's nothing of the sort. No, it's nothing of the sort. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. 8. If not so like that, then what is this? If not so like that, then what's this? अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो फिर ये क्या है? 9. Oh please, what to hide from me now? Oh please, what to hide from me now? Oh मेहरबानी, अब मेरे से भी क्या छुपाना? The last one is 10. What should I tell you now? What should I tell you now? मैं अब तुम्हें क्या बताऊं? So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.